Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for mockups. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll want to select a frame preset that matches your target device, like a desktop or mobile screen. Next, use the basic shape tools rectangles, circles, and lines to lay out the fundamental structure of your design. Remember to name your layers clearly and group related elements to maintain an organized workspace. This foundational setup is crucial for an efficient design process. Once your basic layout is in place, it's time to elevate your design with components and styles. Components allow you to create reusable elements, like buttons or navigation bars, ensuring consistency across your mockups. Define text styles for headings and body copy, and establish a color palette to maintain visual harmony. Auto layout is a game changer for creating responsive designs that adapt effortlessly to different screen sizes. Explore the vast plugin library to extend Figma's functionality even further. Now, let's bring your static mockups to life with prototyping. Connect your design frames using interactive links to simulate how users will navigate through your product. You can add various animations and transitions, such as Instant, Dissolve, or Smart Animate, to create a more realistic and engaging user experience. Once your prototype is ready, easily share it with team members or clients to gather valuable feedback. This iterative process of testing and refining is essential for a successful design. Figma truly shines in its collaborative features. Invite multiple team members to work on the same design file simultaneously, fostering real-time collaboration. Utilize the commenting feature to provide precise feedback directly on design elements, streamlining communication. When it's time for development, use Inspect mode to provide developers with all the necessary specifications, including CSS, iOS, and Android code snippets. Finally, export your assets in formats like SVG, PNG, or JPG, ensuring a smooth handoff process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.